Okay, so this is the shakshuka. It's day one, official day one. We're having brunch at Merito. What's this called?
This one's cachapa, which is like a, for lack of a better description, it's like a corn pancake or roughly ground corn pancake stuffed with Venezuelan cheese.
Ooh, nice. And then this one.
And then this one is like it's like, for you Filipinos out there, it's like a cheese lumpia.
Cheese.
And then you have this dip made from avocados and lime. See? They don't make their cheese super melty. They want to keep the structural integrity of the cheese.
We are out. Wow.
Well, let's look for pepperoni. So this is a coconut. It's a kind of fruit from the jungle.
Day one was filled with a lot of sightseeing, walking around Barranco, which is where Kevin lives, which is the artist district of Lima. I feel so lucky that that's where I'm staying as well. And we had a little barbecue with his workmates that day. So for day two, we are having brunch at Amarena, which is another place that Kevin's friend owns and manages.
Good morning. We are having brunch. It is day two. We're having brunch. Shakshuka with poached eggs and of course coffee. After breakfast, we are going shopping. I'm gonna buy some coupons. Okay, so this is the shakshuka. And that's, what did you order?
I ordered the fruit toast with ricotta and fig jam. And then, I have like a little portion. So I use that then, and I place my yolks in because I wasn't using it.
The shakshuka was really good. I'm a sucker for poached eggs. We ended up going to another part of the city because Kevin ran some errands before we went shopping for pasalubongs, and it's just a pretty nice area. I like how in Lima it's very developed, but there aren't many high-rises, so the small shops really stand out on the street.
So where are we going now?
We're going to my other friend's cafe because here's the thing with Peru. Peru has a lot of artisanal coffee and cafes that you can go to. And a lot of them are owned by friends of mine because of where I work.
Yeah.
So we went to one this morning that's owned by someone you saw before, Laura. This other barista is Maria Alejandra. Or as I like to call her, Panchita. I don't know why, I got used to that. But yeah, we're going to another cafe. And yeah, we should have some good coffee because she wanted to have coffee before she went shopping again.
Yes, coffee before anything.
I'm allergic to coffee. I've been playing Tom Mix it forever. Un juego filipino ahora se llama Tom Hits. Es un juego de la calle. Todos jugamos porque siempre estamos jugando en la playa.
The Inca market was a really fun time. Kevin definitely saved me a lot of money through haggling with the store owners. Reminded me of Green Hills a lot. But the things that I bought were mainly for my cousin and her family. And I got 100% alpaca stuff. A lot of the stores here sell like 50-50, so mixed, but that's because they don't want it to be itchy. But I got the real thing and got 100% alpaca for my cousin.
So inside this bag is everything Kevin haggled for me. Thank you, Kevin.
Of course.
I saved so much money because of Kevin.
That's the first thing you have to do. They're gonna charge you more if you're a foreigner here. So you can't let up.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Of course, of course, of course. Pato de antes en entrar, pero que tengo naive.
I've been wanting to try street food, Peruvian street food, so Kevin took me to this restaurant, not to the street vendors, so I could try beef heart, which is very exciting for me because I like chicken heart.
Peruvian merienda. Normally it's sold on street carts, but I'll be honest with you, the only reason we're not going to the one that go in street carts is because they don't accept card. And I don't want to withdraw cash. It's purple.
It's purple.
No, mira. Yo no servimos, no servimos.
Yes.
Quiero una foto primero. So this drink is actually purple corn.
Corn?
Purple corn. So the purple corn is then boiled with apples, spices, pineapple, cinnamon, and then mixed in with a bit of sugar. It's very flavorful, and it's a very common drink here in Peru.
Does this have alcohol?
No, 0 alcohol. Purple corn. Who would have thought? Oh no, I'm a protector for dogs. How do you know, like, what's your animal protection? Kain na, sí. Pero, el loco to pica bien o
Regular, más o menos.
regular normal o regular peruano? So, these are the anticuchos. Usually they're grilled and marinated with something called ajipanca, which is a dried chili you can find here in Peru. Normally, there's no flavor. The real chili itself has no actual flavor, so what they have to do is they cure it and they dry it. And then what they do, they rehydrate it and turn it into a paste. This one is called Papa Maria. This is like one of the main potatoes consumed here in Peru. A lot starchier than your normal potato, and it's very nice. The last one is a corn called choclo.
It's so big.
Look at the kernels, are huge.
Oh my god.
Right? Papa? Así es. So these are like Peruvian donuts, made using a dough of sweet potato and pumpkin.
So this is just a quick walk back home. We just finished having merienda lang yun, no? But it was so heavy, so good. And we're walking around Plaza.
Yeah, Plaza Barangco. But I want to show you something.
What?
See this? These are bathrooms.
Yeah.
So you can pay 1 sol to use this. So it's just right smack dab in the middle of the park.
Kevin was really excited for me to try the food from this restaurant. It was Nikkei, so yes, like the Nikkei in Manila, but better. Oh my gosh, this was so good. I ate so much food, and it was like a fusion with Peruvian flavors, so it is very unique, and I don't know if I'm ever gonna taste anything like this anywhere else. So that was day 1 and 2 of Lima. I hope that you enjoyed. Most of my footage is food because food here is so good. I hope that I see you in the next video. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay safe, sane, and inspired. Hugs and besos. Bye.